Hello everyone. In this video, we will be doing question 5 of exercise 11.2 of class 10, which says draw line segment AB of length 8 cm. Then with A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and with B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Then we have to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. For this, we will draw the line segment AB of 8 cm first. Then with A as center and radius 4 cm as given in the question, we will draw a circle. Next step, with B as center and radius 3 cm as given in the question, we will draw another circle. Now, as per the question, we are supposed to draw the tangents to the circles respectively from the centers of the second circle. That means here, if A is the center of circle, largest circle, then B is the external point from where we are supposed to draw the tangents. And if B is taken as the center of smaller circle, and we are supposed to draw tangents from the external point A to circle B. That means the next very step, that is to draw perpendicular bisector, is that we will be drawing the perpendicular bisector of AB line segment, and we will proceed further. In both the cases, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. So on drawing the perpendicular bisector, by taking measure in compass more than half of that of AB, we have this XY as the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Let this perpendicular bisector intersect AB at a point, and we will mark this point of intersection of AB with line segment XY as M. Then with M as center and MB as radius, we will draw a circle. We will find that the circle passes through both points A and B. Then we will be marking the point of intersection of the new circle formed with the smaller circle as P and Q respectively. We will join AP, the joining of external point A to the point of contact, then external of point A to point Q. AP and AQ are the two tangents from point A to the smaller circle. Next, we will be marking the point of contacts of the new circle with the larger circle as R and S. Again, we will be joining the external point B to R and external point B to S so as to obtain the two tangents from the external point B to the circle with center A, that is BR and BS. Hence, AP, AQ and BR, BS are the required tangents in this case. Let us now see the steps of construction. The first step being, draw line segment AB equal to 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Then taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Draw perpendicular bisector XY of line segment AB. Let it intersect AB at point M. With M as center and MA as radius, draw a circle. Let this circle intersect circle with center B at point P and Q respectively. Join AP and AQ. Then AP and AQ are tangents from point A to the smaller circle. Let this circle drawn in step 5 intersect circle with center A at points R and S respectively. Join BR and BS. Then BR and BS are two tangents from external point B to the circle with the larger radius, that is circle with radius 4 cm. So AP, AQ and BR, BS are the required tangents.